Welcome back to the Garden of Feodora, and I do want to say I apologize for not filming this little experiment here. I don't know what I was thinking actually. I had some seeds, some multicolored pepper seeds, and I just decided to place them in some dirt and drop them in, you know. I covered it with this to create a greenhouse effect, just some plastic wrap. And on top of the seeds, I actually just put a napkin. You know how I laid a napkin across the top of the seeds? I just dropped the seeds on top of the dirt and then put a napkin, a paper towel, on top of the seeds. And the seeds just bust through the top of the napkin because, as we say, everything likes and wants to live. And I continue watering it from the bottom. Now hopefully these seeds will get nice and big and strong by spring, because right now was the 26th of December, so yesterday was Christmas, so Merry Christmas to everyone who I didn't get a chance to say Happy Holidays to. But this is the experiment, and it's working out great, so as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora. And don't forget, please subscribe, or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora.